Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to open a task manager in Windows 11. In this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to open task manager in Windows 11. So how to do this, let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. The first method is that go to your start menu, right click, and now you can see data task manager. Click on it. Now task manager will be opened. This is the first method. The second method is that type a press a button is Control Shift plus ESC at the same time. Control Shift ESC. Now you can see that task manager will be opened. Now close it. The third method is that in the search box and type a task manager. Now you can see that a task manager, open a task manager. Now this is a ways to open a task manager in Windows 11. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.